In Jefferson County, health officials also talked about the Legionnaire's outbreak for the first time late this afternoon.
And they are now telling us there are 9 confirmed cases. WIAT 42 News reporter Mike McClanahan continues our live team coverage from the health department. And Mike, we've heard from UAB. What are county health agents saying about the outbreak?
Sherry, as of late this afternoon, County Health Officer Dr. Mark Wilson did confirm, again, there are 9 cases of Legionella infection in people who were on floors 5, 6, and 7 of the Women and Infants building at UAB. Now, the 9th case, he says, involves a visitor to that part of the hospital, not a patient. They know, he says, the visitor tested positive, but they don't know where he got the infection. Dr. Wilson confirms that the state and county health departments were notified on Monday, May 19th, of a possible outbreak. As for why the health department waited so long to make a public statement, Wilson says it takes a long time to investigate claims of a possible outbreak, and it's a complicated process. He says they did not want the public to be unnecessarily alarmed, and here is his message to the general public.
I want to really emphasize that we have no evidence at all that this is anything that's occurring outside of this water system in that part of UAB. So there is no evidence whatsoever that this is in the Birmingham waterworks system.
Now, the state health department says they are going to be going through records to see if there are any other dots to connect or links they need to check out. But at this point, they say steps have been taken to try to mitigate this outbreak, and they've also done a series of tests, and they are waiting to see if the threat is truly gone.
Mike, I talked with a family member of a patient who was discharged from one of those floors on Saturday. She says that patient had not been notified on what she should do. Of course, she's not in the hospital. She is a cancer patient, though. What's the health department advising for people like her?
At this point, Dr. Wilson is advising anyone who visited or was a patient on floors 5, 6, and 7 of the Women and Infants building there on UAB campus at the hospital there to notify a doctor if they have symptoms of fever or shortness of breath or other respiratory illness symptoms. They say some of these symptoms look a lot like other symptoms, but at this point, if people were there, they want them to get checked out. They also say they'll probably be asking for some more tests at the facility in the near future. Reporting live in Birmingham, Mike McClanahan, WIAT 42 News coverage you can count on.
Okay, Mike, thanks. We'll check back with you a little later in our newscast.